Can you actually make money online just by uploading PDFs? That's what this new method called PDF farming claims, and I'm putting it to a test. But instead of just reviewing the product or giving you a quick opinion, I'm launching a full series right here on the channel where I'll go step by step through the strategy, buying the product, learning the system, applying it exactly as they teach it, and seeing if we can actually make money with this. And no, I'm not promoting this product. I'm not an affiliate for this product. If it sucks, I'll show you. If it works, I'll prove it. So this is how the series is going to work. In today's video, I'm buying the course and showing you what's inside. This is the sales page. And check this out. To get instant access, I need to pay only $27 today. So it's not that much. In the next videos, I'll go through each module, implement every strategy, build the PDFs, and post them on the platforms they recommend. Then I'll track the results, view clicks, income, and share everything, including any struggles or wins I hit along the way. This is not a one video review. I'm doing the full thing so you can see what really happens behind the scenes. So right now, guys, I'm going to use my credit card to buy this course. This is the checkout page, and I'm going to scroll down, and they have two upsells. 10 Done For You luxury PDF templates and 114 proven PDF niches. They have this upsell, eliminate guesswork and launch within 2 hours with our Done For You pack. The price of this upsell is $197. And I'm not going to buy this. I'm going to click here where it says no thanks. I'll pass on this one-time exclusive offer and launch at my own pace. Check this out. How about an extra $100 off? Get the Done For You pack for just $97? Well, no thanks. I'm going to click here. All right, I just bought the PDF farming product. It cost me $27 and I skipped all the upsells. So these are the lessons. We have the introduction and phase 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the next steps, troubleshooting and your bonuses. Some of the content looks solid and some of it I'm not sure yet. I'll break down in the next video where I start applying the first steps of the method. Now, just to be clear, I'm not an affiliate for this product. I'm doing this series because I know a lot of these make money online methods sounds great, but rarely deliver. The product that I promote is Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, and I have some results by promoting that product. Not huge results, but real results. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon, bye.